Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video with me, Mickey Mouse from Greenway-Chaplin. Today I have a fun how-to on how to play a water game called Roll and Splash. So, let's get started.
For this activity, you will need 1 cup of water per player and 1 dice per player. Once you have all of your players and the materials needed, go ahead and start rolling. If you roll the number 6, you have to dump your cup of water onto your head. Keep going until everyone has had a cup of water dumped on their head at least once.
Alright everyone, and that is how you play the Roll and Splash water game. We hope you have lots of fun getting super soaking wet with your friends and family at home. Let us know if you had lots of fun playing this game. I hope to see you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!